Turmeric is that spice that everybody swears by, but most of us only know it as the thing that turns our fingertips and our countertops yellow. But here's the twist. Turmeric isn't just for curry. This little golden root is one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory ingredients you can add to your kitchen, and today I'm breaking down why you should be using it and how to sneak it into your daily routine. If you've been struggling with joint pain, bloating, or just low energy, turmeric might be that missing puzzle piece in your wellness journey. And the best part, you don't need a fancy supplement to start getting the benefits. You can use what's already in your pantry. Most people hear the hype, buy a jar of turmeric, and then it just sits there. No shade, I've done it too. But today I'll show you why it's worth dusting off that jar, plus some easy ways you can actually use it so that it doesn't go to waste. What's up guys, I'm Lisha, a certified nutrition coach, and this is Eat Well with Lisha, where we make nutrition simple, fun, and actually doable. If you're all about healthy eating without the overwhelm, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss an episode. Okay, so what is turmeric? Turmeric comes from a root in the ginger family, and it's been used for thousands of years in Ayurvedic and traditional Chinese medicine. The magic compound inside of turmeric is called curcumin, which is where all those health benefits come from. So it's the star of the show. Let's go over some of these benefits. Anti-inflammatory. Think less joint pain, less stiffness, basically your body saying thank you. Antioxidant. It helps fight off free radicals, aka the little troublemakers that speed up aging. Supports digestion. Turmeric can calm bloating and support gut health. Brain health. Some studies even suggest it can boost mood and memory. And I don't know about you, but if a spice can help me feel sharper and less foggy, it's going in my cart every time. As always, with the benefits comes some myths, so let's clear up a couple of myths that are surrounding turmeric. First, turmeric itself is not spicy. It has a warm, earthy flavor. If you've had curry and thought, wow, that's spicy, it's not the turmeric. That's the chili or cayenne pepper in the curry mix. Second, turmeric root versus turmeric powder. Fresh root gives you a brighter, slightly citrusy flavor, while powder is more concentrated and shelf stable. Both are great, but it just depends on what you like. And here's a little fun fact. Turmeric was actually once used as a natural dye for fabrics, which explains why, yes, it will stain your countertops, your wooden spoon, and even your nails if you're not careful. I learned that one the hard way. You know, I like to keep things simple, but here's a cool little sciencey bit. In one study, turmeric extract worked just as well as ibuprofen for arthritis pain, without the side effects. Now that doesn't mean throw out your medicine cabinet. It just shows how powerful food can be when used consistently. Okay, so what do you do with turmeric besides letting it collect dust on your spice rack? Sprinkle it on rice or quinoa for that golden color and subtle flavor. Roasted veggies, a little turmeric, garlic, and olive oil will take those vegetables to another level. This one might sound a little crazy, but it's actually really good. You can put turmeric in smoothies. Try it with ginger, mango, and a little pineapple. It's super refreshing. Whisk it into some salad dressing or chickpea hummus for a little twist. And of course, the famous turmeric latte, aka golden milk. Creamy, cozy, and packed with benefits. Here is a non-negotiable tip. Turmeric works best when paired with black pepper. The pepperine in black pepper boosts curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. So if you're cooking with turmeric, always add a pinch of black pepper. That'll unlock those full benefits. No pepper, no party. Personally, I sneak it into my scrambled eggs with spinach. It gives them that golden, gorgeous colors, and my kids don't even notice. I also toss a little into soups when I feel a cold coming on. It's become one of those quiet, everyday ingredients that supports me without me even thinking about it. So now that you know why turmeric deserves a permanent spot in your daily routine, let's make it happen. One of the easiest and honestly one of the most delicious ways to enjoy turmeric is a cozy, creamy turmeric latte. So if you're ready to sip your way to better health, check out my turmeric latte recipe because it's coming up right now.